Welcome back everyone to another great video. Bitcoin and the whole crypto sector is currently trending and on a bullish run. There's tons of catalysts around Bitcoin at the moment. I've done quite the research and Bitcoin looks like it's on its way to all-time highs again. I'm laser beam focused on Bitfarms, ticker symbol BITF, and I think it can be the next 10x opportunity this year. I'll be focusing on the stock and option side of investing into crypto, which in my opinion can be a lot more ludicrous than just outright buying Bitcoin. In this video, I will go over everything you need to know to capitalize on this move. If you are invested or thinking of investing into high momentum moving stocks, you don't want to miss this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for my latest videos. Also make sure to check out the links under the description of this video to get access to my private Discord and other great investing apps. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. This article was released on August 5th. Why shares of Coinbase Global, Bit Digital, and Bitfarms all rose today. This article goes over multiple stocks, but I will be focusing in just one in this video. I can go over the other two stocks in this article on a future video. If you guys would like to see those videos, make sure to hit the like button and comment down below. Promising news around a Bitcoin ETF has boosted cryptocurrencies, which in turn has helped other stocks in the crypto space. The chairman of the SEC said he would be open to Bitcoin futures ETF, prompting several investment firms to file documents to launch Bitcoin futures ETFs. This is the first time in the American markets such consideration has been talked about by the SEC. This is huge for the crypto sector. Shares of several stocks in the cryptocurrency space rose today, as the price of many cryptocurrencies has continued to bounce back over the past few weeks. Shares of the crypto exchange Coinbase Global, ticker symbol COIN, rose more than 4.5% today, while shares of the crypto mining companies Bit Digital, BTBT, and Bitfarms, ticker symbol BITF, rose more than 21% and 8% respectively today. Most stocks in the cryptocurrency space tend to follow the movement of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, which is up 4% over the last 24 hours and 3% since midnight today. The big news propelling Bitcoin over $40,000 today was more hope around the launch of Bitcoin Exchange Traded Funds ETFs. Gary Gensler, chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), said a few days ago that he would be more receptive to a Bitcoin ETF if it was based around futures, as opposed to Bitcoin itself. Futures are financial instruments that require the transacting parties to carry out a trade of an asset at a future date and price that is predetermined. Following Gensler's comment, the ETF company ProShares and investment management company Invesco filed documents with the SEC for ETFs based on Bitcoin futures. Both ProShares and Invesco are industry leaders of ETFs. This is huge. And other more company-specific news, Bitfarms reported a Bitcoin production update. The company, which is headquartered in the US, said it had mined 391 new Bitcoin during July of 2021, its largest month production rate thus far in 2021 and roughly 96% more than the production in January of this year. Bitfarms says it's currently mining 12.5 to 13.5 Bitcoin per day. The main driver for most stocks operating in the crypto space is going to be the movement of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. News around the Bitcoin ETF is big because it will open up access to Bitcoin for more investors and making it easier for Bitcoin exposure by not having to purchase actual Bitcoin. The ETF dialogue has been ongoing for a while, so if the SEC approves one, that should bode well for the price of cryptocurrencies and therefore the price of Coinbase, Bit Digital, and Bitfarms. In this article, it mentioned Bitfarms being headquartered in the US, which I think was a typo. The company seems to be headquartered in Toronto, Canada. Let's take a look at their video presentation.
Founded in 2017, Bitfarms has quickly grown to become one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies in the world. Located in Canada, we use more than 99% renewable electricity in our mining operations to power more than 1% of the Bitcoin network. We are a vertically integrated company. Volta is our 100% owned electrical engineering subsidiary that designs, builds, and maintains all of our electrical infrastructure. Our proprietary software and command center ensure high uptime, and we operate an authorized MicroBT service center to repair our own miners. We own and operate a fleet of modern Bitcoin miners in 5 energy-efficient data centers built to the highest standards. Farnham, Cowansville, St. Hyacinth, Magog, Sherbrooke. With announced expansion plans for new facilities in both North and South America, we are rapidly expanding the infrastructure of the future to support and secure the Bitcoin network for the world. We plan to grow to 3 exahash by the end of 2021 and 8 exahash by the end of 2022. Would you like to be part of history? The excitement is just beginning. Join us on NASDAQ.
Bitfarms was founded in 2017 and they power more than 1% of the Bitcoin network. They are a fully vertical integrated company and owns 100% of Volta, which is their electrical engineering subsidiary that designs, builds, and maintains all of their electrical infrastructure. They currently own 5 mining locations and working on new locations in both North and South America. How many crypto mining companies can say that? Before we go over some price targets, I would like to go over other related crypto news that can influence Bitfarms' price action. On August 5th, this was released. JP Morgan, led by Bitcoin skeptic Jamie Dimon, quietly unveils access to a half a dozen crypto funds. On Thursday, financial advisors were allowed to begin placing private bank clients into a new Bitcoin fund created with crypto firm NYDIG. Late last month, JP Morgan rolled out access to 4 funds from Grayscale Investments and 1 from Osprey Funds. The sources declined to be identified speaking about the offerings, each citing an awkward fact. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon has been on the Wall Street's most outspoken skeptics of Bitcoin and related digital assets. Another positive catalyst for Bitcoin, Jamie Dimon and JP Morgan Chase continue to support the mass adoption of Bitcoin by their more recent business decisions. Now, for the potential positive or not so positive catalyst, this can be viewed in different ways and interpreted differently. On August 6th, this article was released. White House backs senators pushing to stricter crypto reporting rules. There's a crypto amendment battle underway between 2 camps of senators. The fight is over provision in the bipartisan bill, which raises money through stricter tax rules on cryptocurrency transactions. The White House wrote in a statement late Thursday that the amendment put forward by Senator Warner, Portman, and Sinema strikes the right balance and makes an important step forward in prompting tax compliance. On one end of the spectrum, this is negative, more taxation and regulation on Bitcoin, contradicting the purpose of the coin itself. On the other hand, this signals acceptance and stability by the US government for the coin. Let's break down some numbers and see what type of opportunities we have here with Bitfarms. This is a chart I put together comparing Bitfarms and Bitcoin's price action for the past 6 months. As you can see, Bitfarms' upward and downward movements is influenced by Bitcoin's movements by a factor of more or less 7 times, comparing Bitfarms' current 85% upward move to Bitcoin's 12% move. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is currently about 45% away from all-time highs. If Bitcoin runs up to all-time highs, we are talking about increasing Bitfarms' value by 45%, which brings us at $8.70. And if we use a 7 times multiple, we're talking about Bitfarms hitting around $60. I know this sounds ridiculously crazy, and this is just some guerrilla math based on the comparison of these 2 assets in the past 6 months. The company started trading on the NASDAQ on June 21st at $4.04. Since then, it hit a low of $2.81 and it closed at $5.95 on August 6th. It currently has a market cap of $816 million, and I think this stock has plenty of upside from these levels. I've previously traded stocks like Riot when it was trading under $1 last year, and this year it hit a high of $79.50. I'm not saying Bitfarms will run up to $80, but what I am saying, these stocks are extremely volatile. Do take this information with a grain of salt. In addition, if you're buying the option side of Bitfarms, those returns can be leveraged to a much higher multiple. I'm currently fully invested on Bitfarms with both the shares to reduce some risk and the options for some more risk and higher returns. This week I'm up 39% on my portfolio, and it's all thanks to Bitfarms, and I think this is just the beginning. For those of you who are on my Discord, last Sunday I sent out this message. I've been doing some research over the weekend and I'm going all in tomorrow on Bitfarms. They recently IPO. They were established in 2017. They are based out of Canada and currently have 5 mining facilities. I think this stock could 2 to 3x this year. I'm selling off everything tomorrow and buying both shares and options of BITF. This is extremely risky and I don't recommend this, but this is what I'm doing. It's in the same league as Riot and Mara. Needless to say, this was the right decision.